All right, when it comes to these window covers, the windshield in the van, it is the biggest window, and therefore the windshield cover is the biggest cover that we make. So when it comes time to install it, you have to be a little bit patient getting it to fit exactly how you're going to want it to. The first thing is you're going to take the strap that keeps it all together and unfold the strap. Once you've got the strap undone, you'll notice that there is a side that has a pattern on it, which is a diamond pattern. That's the ripstop side, and there's a solid black side. The solid black side in all of our window covers is the side that faces the window or outside of the van, and the diamond ripstop pattern is what faces inside the van. As you start to unfold the windshield cover, what you're going to want to do is make sure as you're unfolding it, the diamond pattern is facing you, and you're going to want to get the bottom edge of the windshield cover tucked in as tight as you can between the dash and the windshield. The further you can get that pushed in, the better. Okay, so you'll notice that there is the paracord hanger straps. These are the top edge of the window cover. So as you go to install the window cover, I like to sort of just partially unfold the window cover. I'll work my way into that bottom edge and then unfold it sort of on the dash like this. And then you really want to get the bottom edge in tight. So once you're happy with the bottom edge and you have it nicely stuffed in there, it's time to sort of work the windshield cover up and across. I like to start on the driver's side because I'm usually the driver of the vehicle. So all I do is I push it up into place. I use the sun visor to hold it into place. Our windshield cover allows you to, if you have a rear view mirror, perfect, it goes around it. If you don't have one, this stays magnetically closed so no light gets through. And it also works if you have no technology box, the large technology box, or the small technology box, which is usually what the rear view mirror is attached to if you have one. So what you want to do if you do have a rear view mirror is just pull apart that center slit and just carefully work one side around, then the other side around, and you'll see as it comes around, the magnets will grab on either side. And then I'm just going to work my way across to the passenger side, putting the rest of it up. So I just push it in, and then again flip down the rear view mirror, and that is the windshield cover fully installed. If you do want a bit of a snugger fit, or you feel like it could be a bit tighter around the technology box, that's where these metal hanging cords come in. So I'm just going to move the sun visor out of the way so you can see how they work. So the way it works, and I'll just pull this down, is this hanger here along the front edge where the windshield glass actually meets the headliner material. These hooks are designed to hook in there, and with one hand you've got it resting in there, the other hand put a little bit of tension on the cord, and then use your free hand to push it up and then slide up the stopper or the cincher just like that, and now you've got it nice and snug and tight on around the technology box in the rear view mirror. So I'll do the other side here. So again, just move that out of the way so you guys can see. So you take the hanger, slide it in there, put some tension on it, and then pull it up tight, and then pull it in just like that. And then now all that the sun visors are doing is just kind of holding the windshield cover excess that's beyond here. We do have boning rods in here to keep it nice and rigid. You'll notice there's no folding on the inside, sort of the field area of the cover, but it does need the sun visors to keep it snug and in place. All right, well, that's everything I have to tell you about our windshield covers. If you have any questions whether our windshield covers will work with your particular van, don't hesitate to reach out to us at hello@thewanderful.co. Or if you go to our website, we've got a little chat bubble in the bottom corner, and we'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have.